guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have new releases and boy is it beautiful. I am so excited about this kit, and when I sneaked it on Instagram I didn't show the foil, I just showed the full boxes without it, but let me tell you, the foil on these full boxes is amazing. So I'm gonna put it off to the side and not try to sneak any of it. So here we go. We have the same new format for the kits, which we have the deco on top. We have cutout icons, the circle icons, the flags, more functional items down here, and we still have our weekend banner. And then, are you guys ready? Ta-da! Haha, got it. Got you. Oh, so much foil. I'm obsessed. I think, which is ironic, I think this may be my favorite box. Just because it's like covered in stars, and then you have that bam, you have that moon, and like there's stars and moon back there, so like you kind of get it like non-foil, and then you're like foil, non, like you still get the same effect in the pattern. And then this Black Stallion or Black Stallion Unicorn, however you want to call it, was beautiful, and I thought it would be kind of like majestic, it running in the rain. Yeah, I know, I overthink things. And then I love this raindrop pattern, so I used it quite a bit throughout. Continued with the stars, and then we put it in the little ball here, and then we have "Be the ringmaster, it's your life." I love that quote. I just think it's so great. It's so like uplifting and powerful. And then we have these ombre boxes, which I love them. Like, this is so pretty to me. These may be my favorite boxes I have done at all times. So we have like the pink clouds into like pink up here, a little bit of purple, then we have purple, then we have gray, and then we have like the glitter all around. I just loved it. And I kept the hearts still white because you can see them. You may not be able to see them on camera, but you can still see they are visible. They are light, but they are visible to check off. And then these are the colors of the kit. I love them. I love them so much. And then we have our functional page, which we have our boxes, little boxes here, sidebar, some more functional build do's, and then the checklist. And then we got some more foil with those raindrops, which I was obsessed with. And I brought the foil down into that strip down here, which you can kind of use these as like glitter headers. I thought of changing them to actual glitter headers, but is that something you guys would want? Yes, no, let me know. I kind of like the pattern, so like you can use this as literally just like foil, and then you can use them as the header because they are header size, or you can use them if you do like a long weekend. This little part down here, I don't want to like knock it off, does make it a 4-day weekend to like Thursday. So I still leave that option, but it's up to you guys, and I love it so much. So let's zoom out. I do have the mini kit, don't worry. I know a lot of people love the mini kit, but we gotta over explain everything here. This is why you guys like my channel, because I like to bring you with me in my thought process on this. Whether you want it or not, you can skip. I don't really know what, but come on. So I kind of went with the hard and soft again. You guys know, been really into that. So I went with the really soft like boxes here with like that delicate gray. I kept some of the gray in here with bringing in the pops of color. Here, this clip art was actually pretty dark. So I didn't want to do such a dark kit because I feel like some of my other kits have been kind of darker. And I kind of wanted to lighten it up with only having like a couple, like these I think stand out to be dark. This is like up in the top, so like you can kind of like balance it out. I don't know, like I think this is really well balanced kind of like overall, but still bringing some of the dark at the bottom. Then we have lighter up there. So that was kind of my thought process in kind of like the light and the dark, but more on the lighter side, with the dark being kind of the like the impact, as in like, you know, you have either white space or no white space, and you have like these checklists, and then you're like, oh, I want a flag there, and you're like, bam, there's the dart kind of on that. Does that make sense? Should I just stop talking? So you guys know I'm obsessed, so I think foil is like the happy place now. So here is the functional sheet, which I love these colors. Like even looking at it like this, a little bit more condensed and stuff, it's still beautiful. Like, oh yes. I love it so much, and you guys are loving these mini kits. I'm so happy because I didn't know if you guys wanted mini kits, if you guys like were like, no, I'm totally like full on no white space. So I'm happy I decided to bring back the mini kits and do it in a 4-page mini kit. And the good thing is that technically I've heard plenty of people say this lasted them 2 weeks, even as a mini kit. So I think that's great. I'm obsessed. So needless to say, I love these so much. Like look at that moon. Like I feel like the moon adds so much here, which you wouldn't really think it would, but I feel like it does. Do you guys agree with me, or am I just like losing my mind in the foil? Which is very possible. Don't put it past me. So, all right, these are live. Again, I still have that coupon for 15% off $50 or more. And then the kits are still discounted like normally. So thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.